Do you want to learn to code? Do you want to master Python and machine learning? Do you want to have the best skill to make the most money in the next few years? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. Hi, my name is John Burra and I founded an e-learning company called Mammoth Interactive. We've sold over 1 million courses in the last 10 years. The number one reason why we keep selling content is that we try to teach people how to build practical projects so they can get a job as quickly as possible. So today we're announcing that we're going to make the best Python and machine learning bundle that takes anyone from being a complete beginner to being an advanced machine learning specialist. So if you want to learn to code, you want to learn how to build practical projects. It's really about building a project from start to finish that makes you learn how to code. And once you're done this project, you can show it off to your friends, potential employer, or put it on your LinkedIn or resume. So as an employer myself, I always want to hire people that know how to build things from start to finish. So believe it or not, there's a lot of colleges and universities out there that still don't do this. They don't teach you how to build a practical project, they just teach you theory. Well, if you want to get a job or you want to master Python and machine learning, you have to build a project from start to finish. So I can tell you that employers really do value this skill. This skill of being able to build something from start to finish is something that employers absolutely want. So what are you going to learn in this bundle of courses? Well, in this bundle of courses, we're going to show anyone how to program with Python first, and then we're going to build them up to computer vision. Now, computer vision is the foundation of pretty much all the new technology in this decade. We're about to hit the exponential age. So there are going to be 3 things in this decade that are going to be absolutely amazing. First is machine learning computer vision, second is robotics, and third is cryptocurrency. So machine learning and computer vision is the foundation for not only things like self-driving cars, but robotics in general. You cannot have robots without identifying computer vision. So that's why we're showing you how to build a self-driving car with computer vision, and we're gonna be showing you how to detect faces and emotions in videos. But wait, there's more. So over the last 10 years, we've shown people how to get the most in-demand skills. And one of the things we found that there were very few tutorials on around the internet, and specifically online courses, is that there is few courses in biology and machine learning. So if you want to have a career that has anything to do with biology, you're going to not only need to learn the machine learning models, but how it relates to biology. And we're adding in a ton of practical projects that shows you how to do this. Some of the practical projects include predicting diabetes by building regression and machine learning models. Another project is to detect cancer by building machine learning models to classify malignant versus benign masses. We're also going to show you how to predict heart disease with machine learning, and last but certainly not least, we're going to show you how to detect malaria by building a neural network with TensorFlow. So what we've done is we've taken all the best boot camps around the world and condensed them into one amazing bundle of online courses. You're going to be saving a ton of money by taking this online course. So that's why we need your help today to make this amazing Kickstarter a reality. So you can take a look at some of the options down below. The more money you pledge, the more Mammoth Interactive courses you can get. There are some of our previous Kickstarters in the rewards as well. Again, the more money you pledge, the more courses you can get. All of these courses are on a huge discount, so pledge today while quantities last. So if you're from an education institution, it really does help us out when your education institution licenses our products. This is the best bundle of Python and machine learning courses Mammoth Interactive has ever made, and we need your help to make it a reality. So please pledge below, and I'll see you in the course.